welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne. I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and join the family. Also, if you'd like to enter the giveaway, which I will be giving away this NYX Ultimate Bright Palette, which I think is awesome for spring and summer with all these bright colors. If you'd like to enter this giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, you're following me on Instagram, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you comment down below because that's the only way I'll be able to know for sure who is going to be entered in this giveaway. So also I used some of the colors on this look I did today, so if you'd like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.